In the day's Scots virtual religious service will be opening with musical composition 9, followed by a third scriven o Jock, the third book or letter to Doric accordings for Jock or John. Musical composition 9. I'll praise you, Meester, wi' all my heart. I'll tell all buddy o' wonderful things you've done. I'll be richt glad o' you, and raise you out. I'll praise your vera name in musical compositions all michday. Fays will rin awa, and fa hour, and dwine awa, when they see you. 'Cause you've looked after my guy wheel, sitting up there on your throne, judging fits richt and fits wrong. You've rebuked the unlike yoursel, and filled the course, dicting out their name for all time. Where fays are dean for, forever. You've dung doon their tunes, nae mair will we mind on them. But the Meester will last forever, sitting on his judgment throne. He'll judge a warl, a guid on the ill. He'll be build for them at sair dean till, a herber van things are straight. A folk va ken ya will I lippen till ya. I Meester, you'll I talk care o' your ain. Sing musical compositions to a Meester va bides in Zion. Tell out to a warl his wonderful works. Almighty will I mine on them at dale. He winna mislippen them far sair dean till. Meester, hae pity on ma. Look at all the tribbles poured on my head, by my face. You've raised me up fae jaws of death. Say I must sing your praises at the yets o' Jerusalem. Fu glad at you've solved ma. A warlsels I the hole it has dealt. It's 15 I the snare it set for itself. A Meester is kent biz judgments. A course are snared I their ain hands' work. A course will fall heed maist until Sheol. We all a folk at pay nae attention to a word all michday. But them at went winna be forgotten. Them fa hae nathan winna hope in vain. Rise up, Meester, dinna lot men be bigsy. Cry all nations afore ye, say ye mith judge them all. Pit the fear of death in them, say they mith ken fa's boss. And now for the third scriven o Jock. A third scriven o Jock. Fe they all man to ma guid friend Gaius, ma all crony. Weel, Gaius, fu are ye dean, men? I hope ye're keeping weel enough on a hale unhearty, body and sentient being. I was richt sair shooted van your friends come and tell me fu weel ye're dean, and fu guid living ye've been. Nathan can be better nor to hear at my bairnies are keeping to the straight and narrow. Ma all crony, you're I dean something for a guid o' others. Baith were ain congregation and fremd. They've telt us all here about your guid works. Keep it up, my friend, and lead them on a way to Almighty himself. It was to dee anointed dean's work. They gaed out and would hae nathan to dee wi' a folk at werna o' their kind. But we maun look after a kinds o' folk, nae just we're ain, say that we can spread Almighty's word. I've wrote the letter to Doric's accordings, but Diotrephes, a high heed in amo them, winna hae nathan to dee wi' is. Gin I come amo ye, I'll mine on him, on 50's dean, cursing is, on a season is a ill deans. As gin that wasn't enough. He doesn't even talk on wer friends, counters them dis talk them on, tries to pit them ut a bork accordings. Ma crony, dinna fall into course wise, but dee fits greed. Them dee greed are all mictas bairns, and a countermarchus has never seen all micty. Allbody has a great say-awa about Demetrius. Aye, on a troth speaks weel o' him tee. I would swear for him tee, and ye ken for a swear I mean it. There was sae muckle I was gone to say to ye, but I'm nae gone to vreet ony mair. Haste ye back, and we'll hae good news agither. Peace be wi' ye. Allbody here was speirin' for ye, and tell allbody there I was speirin' for them. And that concludes the third scriven of Jock. Talkin' Fae, the Doric Aul New Testament, rendered by Gordan Hay, available through doricbooks.com. Till next time, be heartened, be skillful, and endure till the end.